How to convert PDF to JPG in your mobile device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can convert PDF to JPG in your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you can do is open up a browser in your device and tap in the search bar, and in search bar search for file converter. After that, head towards the first link from the search results, that is www.online-convert.com. Tap on it. So once you get into this page, scroll down a bit and there you have various options. Keep on scrolling and at the very end you will have an option to convert PDF to JPG. Tap on it. Scroll down a bit. Now you have to upload a file right here. So tap on choose file. Then tap on media picker. Now from your mobile device, upload a PDF file that you want to convert to JPG. And wait until the file is uploaded. Once it is uploaded, scroll down a bit and you can select its quality. And here tap on start. Now once the JPG file is ready, you will have this download option in your interface. Tap on download. Once the file is downloaded, you can open up the file and you will have the JPG file of your PDF file. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.